Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Discord stuck on loading screen. First, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out any network issues. Next, go ahead and force close the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find Discord and then swipe it away, then reopen it, then go to the app store and then search for Discord and update and make sure your Discord is up to date. Privacy tip: only log in to the official Discord app to keep your account secure. Quick fix: if it still won't load, restart your iPhone and try again. Delete and reinstall Discord. Your account info will sync when you log in. Contact Discord support if the loading issue proceeds, and that's it. Subscribe for more